Want to make sure you're using the latest version of Zoom. Keeping Zoom updated gives you access to new features, better security, bug fixes, and improved performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Zoom in 2026, so let's get started. First, launch the Zoom Workplace app on your computer and sign in to your account if you haven't already. While some versions let you check for updates without signing in, logging in ensures you have access to all available account features. Next, click your profile picture in the upper right corner of the Zoom window. This opens a menu with several account and application options. Yeah, the update option is usually found here. Click Check for Updates. Zoom will automatically look for the latest available version. If you're already using the newest version, Zoom will let you know. If an update is available, click Update and wait while Zoom downloads and installs the latest version. The process usually only takes a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once the update finishes, restart Zoom if prompted. Opening the application again ensures the new version is fully loaded. After restarting, you'll be using the latest features and fixes. Finally, return to the profile menu and choose Check for Update if that option is available. This confirms that the update was installed successfully, so your Zoom app is now fully up to date. And that's how to update Zoom. Keeping the app updated helps improve security, performance, and compatibility with the latest features. Checking for updates every so often is a simple habit that can prevent many common issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.